Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best miter saw on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. BOSCH CM10GD Miter Saw. The BOSCH CM10GD miter saw is a 15-amp 10-inch dual bevel sliding miter saw that is lightweight and easy to transport. In just seconds, change the blade to do tasks such as cross-cutting without the need for a second tool. This miter saw features an electronic feedback system that alerts the user immediately if an adjustment is needed while cutting. The blade stop feature helps eliminate overcutting by stopping the blade when it reaches your desired cut depth. The BOSCH CM10GD features an adjustable dual bevel, allowing for cutting angles of 0 to 55 degrees to the left and 0 to 50 degrees to the right. The sliding miter saw has a powerful 15-amp motor, capable of supporting large and small jobs. The saw is able to cut at a cutting range of 0 to 47 degrees to the left and 0 to 47 degrees to the right, giving users a large amount of functionality. The saw is also easy to maneuver and to control with only one hand. A saw blade dust extraction hook is included. Number 4. Genesis GMS 1015 LC Miter Saw. Genesis GMS 1015 LC miter saw with laser guide and 9 positive miter stops is one of the most versatile and accurate miter saws in the marketplace. This saw has a 10-inch double bevel, right or left, blade that rotates at a maximum speed of 5000 RPM. A laser guide provides precise alignment of cuts. It also has a built-in dust collection port that easily connects to a vacuum. The soft grip handle is comfortable to use and lowers the risk of accidents. The saw features a one-touch quick-release lever that allows users to adjust the angle of the saw blade with ease. This saw also has a 15-amp motor. The miter angle goes from 0 to 52 degrees to the left and 0 to 57 degrees to the right. There are 9 positive stops at angles between 0 and 52 degrees. It is a professional saw that provides power, accuracy and precision. This Genesis 15-amp miter saw is perfect for the contractor or hobbyist that requires a quality tool to take on the toughest jobs. Number 3. Skil MS6305 Miter Saw. The Skil MS63050010 sliding miter saw is a versatile tool that will help you make the best cuts. The 1/2 HP motor is powered by 120 volts, providing a maximum cutting capacity of 1/2 x 12 x 18. The 12.5 bevel capacity controlled via a laser system is ideal for cutting crown molding and other angle cuts. A built-in laser indicates the cut line and aids in accurate framing, while a powerful 15-amp motor provides fast, smooth cutting. The Skil MS63050010 sliding miter saw comes with an MDF stand for storage and transport, as well as a tool-free bevel adjustment for easy angle adjustments from -2 to 48 degrees. The Skil MS63050010 sliding miter saw can cut at an angle of 0 degrees, 22.5 degrees to the left, and an angle of 0 degrees, 22.5 degrees to the right. The Skil MS6305 miter saw utilizes a dual beam laser to make precise cuts, and edge finder lines in the miter and bevel detent plates make accurate cuts easy. A dual sliding fence system provides positive and accurate cutting, and the heavy-duty, ergonomically designed handle is guided by a dual roller system. The rugged, die-cast aluminum stand is durable and supports the saw, regardless of the cutting angle. The Skil MS6305 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw features a 1 to 3/4 inch stroke and a 1/8 miter detent plate for precise, accurate cuts. Number 2. DEWALT DWS 715 Miter Saw. DWS 715 12-inch compound miter saw features a powerful 15-amp motor designed for high performance and ease of use. This saw delivers a max bevel capacity of 50 degrees to the left and 0 degrees to the right, with positive stops at 0, 22.5, and 45 degrees. The miter saw has a 15-amp 5800 RPM motor for power, and it has a bevel adjustment of 0 to 54 degrees for versatility. The cut capacity is 12 inches at 90 degrees and 8 inches at 45 degrees. The saw weighs in at 82 pounds and has a stand that weighs 28 pounds, making it a total of 110 pounds. This sturdy stand is a great feature that allows you to set up the saw quickly and easily. The maximum cutting capacity at 45 degrees is 4.5 inches, while at 90 degrees it's 5/1/8 inches. It's outfitted with a dust ejection system, making cleanup a breeze. The dust bag capacity is 6 cubic feet. This single bevel compound miter saw also comes with a dust blower that keeps the workpiece clear of airborne wood dust, as well as a window that provides the user with the ability to monitor cut line visibility. Number 1. Metabo HPTC 10 FCGS miter saw. The Metabo HPT 10-inch miter saw makes miter cutting safe, precise and easy with its distinct load and slight action. The saw has a great cutting capacity with a maximum cut depth of up to 3.5 inches at 45 degrees and 4 inches at 90 degrees with a standard taper saw blade. It also has an ergonomic design that keeps it compact while making it easy to use. It comes with a foot switch for safe use and the right amount of power with a 15-amp motor. This compound miter saw utilizes a 15-amp 3000 RPM motor and 0 to 48-degree beveling capacity to get every part of your job done right. The HPTC 10 FCGS features a heavy-duty cast aluminum base, a 15-amp motor, and a dual laser line for precision cutting. It has a metal gearbox for durability and a low kickback and anti-splinter blade for maximum comfort. This miter saw has an ergonomic handle for improved control and a built-in dust blower to keep the saw cutting clean. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.